Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Boult Astra Neo earbuds. First, to get started, simply open the charging case. The earbuds will automatically enter pairing mode. Then, on your device, go to your Bluetooth settings and look for Boult Audio Earbuds. Tap to connect, and you're all set to enjoy your audio experience. The Boult Astra Neo earbuds feature intuitive touch controls for easy management. A single tap on either earbud will play or pause your music. To skip to the next track, double tap the right earbud. If you want to go back to the previous song, double tap the left earbud. For quick access to your voice assistant, simply triple tap either earbud. Managing calls is simple with your Astra Neo earbuds. Tap either earbud once to answer or end a call. If you need to reject an incoming call, just press and hold either earbud for 2 seconds. For an immersive experience, long press the right earbud to activate gaming mode. To stay aware of your surroundings, long press the left earbud for transparency mode. To charge your Boult Astra Neo earbuds, simply place them back into their charging case. They will begin charging automatically. The case itself charges using a standard USB-C cable. For optimal performance and hygiene, remember to clean your earbuds regularly with a soft, dry cloth. Always store them in the charging case when you're not using them to keep them safe and ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.